Okay, friends, for our math journal activity today, we're going to open to the next blank page in our math journal. So I'm going to flip past my 3 poem, my 4 turtles, my 4 poem, my number practice, and my counting how many. I'm going to go to the next blank page, and I'm going to glue in my poem for the number 5. So if you remember, our poem for the number 5 is, make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. So I use just a little bit of glue, and I'm going to press it into my journal. Then I'm going to practice writing the number 5. So I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. Then I'm going to write the number word 5. The number word 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. Then I'm going to practice making my 5 tallies. So tallies are straight lines down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now watch what I do to do my tally for the number 5. I'm going to pull a diagonal line across. Okay, so again, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for 5, I'm going to pull a diagonal across 5. Then I'm going to draw to show my 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of using stickers today, I'm going to use a crayon to draw my 5 other objects. I'm going to draw 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you can use stickers or you can cut out objects to show your 5 things, or you can draw them like I did. So again, friends, our poem is, make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. Then I wrote the number 5. I wrote the number word 5, F-I-V-E, 5. I drew 5 tallies, 5 counters, and 5 objects. Do your very best, and I will see you back soon.